Two chefs with one desire. To show you how they make the best banging dishes they can, wherever the world takes them. This is Cooking on the Road. Peanut butter and jelly.
Hey, what's going on, guys? DogRandom here today, and we're gonna be teaching you how to make a fucking PB&J sandwich in the wild.
Yes.
This is my assistant.
My name is SandwichBoy.
Speak up.
My name is SandwichBoy!
Yeah, so anyway, got some materials. Let's show you guys how this is done. Sandwich Boy, can you pass me the bread, please? Yeah, so while he's getting out the bread, got some more utensils here. You're gonna want some. Dude, hand me the fucking. Stop!
Here's your bread.
Now it's ruined. Eat it. Eat it.
Bread boy has been a very bad child.
Let's try that again. Give me the bread, one at a time. Thank you. Okay. Start with your plate. The 2 slices of bread onto your plate. Now, we need to add some peanut butter. Remember that little bit from my ASMR video?
Self-plug.
Alright, so here, Mr. Sandwich Boy, I'm gonna take that knife. Now I want you to gingerly apply the peanut butter on the cap. Just lather on there. Holy fuck. Now, please swipe the piece of bread along the peanut butter. Oh, that's good. Get it all up there. All right, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, you're a slut. Get that peanut butter. Oh, that's pretty good. Remember, a good chef never lets any food go to waste. Kids, try this at home. So now we have 2 parts of our 3-part peanut butter and jelly sandwich. We have the peanuts, butter, the bread. Now we need the jelly. So bread boy here is gonna help apply the jelly. Stop. You can't just put the jelly on the bread. Are you fucking stupid?
Yeah, that's alright.
You have to do it right. Hey boys, if your mom's watching over your shoulder, you might want to alt-tab out of this one. Alright, now, Mr. Bread Boy, if you don't mind, you need to apply the jelly right here. Oh. Put it right there. Oh, yeah. Oh, fuck. Oh. Mamma mia. It's a juicy mess on my tummy. It's all over my shorts.
Well, now what you do is you grab the bread.
Yeah, scoop that fucker up. Oh, yeah, shit. Yeah, spread it around on there. Oh. Oh. Now lick it off. You can't, a good chef doesn't let any food go to waste. Lick it the fuck off. Lick it. Now. Get this big one right here. Get the big one. Oh!
What am I doing?
Oh, it's all dude, it's fucking in my belly button.
You're gonna have to clean your belly button.
All right. Now we gotta put this sandwich together. Stop! What are you doing? You're an amateur. You can't do it like that. We're artisan chefs. We have class. Put the bread in your mouth.
Okay.
No, go. Where am I gonna go? Go. Oh shit.
Looks like we got ourselves into a sticky situation. I think that's better than...
Yeah. Alright, Sandwich Boy. You ready to try our masterpiece?
Yes.
Well, too fucking bad. Making one sandwich is not how you become great at making sandwiches. You have to do them over and over and over again. You have to put effort and love into every sandwich that you create. Creating one sandwich is less than a quarter of the struggle. You need to create a multitude, a plethora of sandwiches to become the ultimate sandwich chef that has ever lived. Oh shit, I'm sorry. Watch another meme. Subscribe to DogRandom. Subscribe to DogRandom 2. No one knows about it, but it's pretty lit.